Hi guys, today I'll be showing you guys how to make an easy shrimp fried rice, Oriental style. Stay tuned if you want to learn how to make it. Don't forget to pick up all of your ingredients from your local Walmart, grocery store, or Asian market. Okay, now let's get this thing started. First, you need 3 eggs. Make sure your pan is hot. Cook it halfway. Bam! Add the shrimp. Seasoned, by the way. Mix it all up. Hot oil. Add your onions, veggies. Ooh, look at that. Fresh. Boom. Mix it all up. Make sure it's getting brown. Now you can add your soy sauce. Give it a little flavor. Onion powder. Mrs. Dash. Garlic powder. Boom, boom, boom. Now your day-old rice. Make sure you get all the clumps out before you start adding everything. Chicken flavor, pepper, salt, soy for color. Mix it all up. Onions, green onions. Don't forget the bean sprout to give your food a little bit of bang and zazz. Black pepper. Look at that. Enjoy. Thanks for watching. Bye.